because Mr. Folsom found a way to make it fun and interesting. If you couldn't do an exercise, he allowed you to modify it so you can still work out.
Hello fellow viewers, welcome to Open House. My name is Roy Lozano. I'm in the 8th grade, and today I'm going to talk to you about what I love about physical education, or PE for short. So let's get it started. Firstly, let's talk benefits. First, physical activity enhances an individual's ability to think, concentrate, and maintain focus. It also helps prevent sleep deprivation and helps in releasing stress and anxiety. Another benefit is it helps you to develop teamwork and leadership roles. And the last benefit I could think of is social. It helps people become better friends by working together. Now, something different than benefits. Now let's talk about the workouts. Firstly, some are easy and some are hard, but no matter what, the best thing is how fun it is. As long as I work hard, I know that I can learn from it. PE is one of my favorite classes. The workouts are fun, the teachers are nice, and overall the whole experience has been great. I hope you learned something new about physical education. Have a great day. Bye.
I love PE because of many reasons. The first reason is PE keeps everyone fit. So if people want to gain weight or lose weight, it helps people a lot. And it is really fun. PE is really fun. It includes games, exercise. Who doesn't like games?
Hey guys! Welcome back to Distance Fitnessing Show. Today's topic is our favorite thing about virtual PE. My favorite thing about PE is that we get to choose where we work out, because in school we have our own designated area, but since we're doing PE virtually this year, we get to pick our own area to work out in. My favorite part of PE is that we get to stay healthy, fit, and even learn how to calculate our own heart rate. My favorite thing about PE is being able to do new and exciting workouts during quarantine. Thanks for watching today's video about what our favorite thing about virtual PE is. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video with your family and friends. Check out our other videos to help you stay fit. Bye!